Let's make some iced coffee.
Nothing. Ice.
Check this out.
You can't.
I can't. Look. This be me and you. Look.
Patrick, please stop. Patrick, don't.
Find another cup. What's the other one you had?
At work. It makes me happy.
Watch out.
This is really good. I didn't have my coffee this morning.
It's 2:41.
Okay. Yeah, ice cream. And you need to eat yet. So now what? Woo!
Oh, no.
I got this bad baby from Aldi's for $9. We gonna see how it work. And this is that Febreze plug-in. This is a trick that I learned off TikTok somewhere. Let's turn the fans off and see how. Ooh, I like. How I forget ice? This is iced coffee. How I forget the ice? That man. He made me forget. Who was that man? That man downstairs. I still love him.